Our mates are on the job, and this one's no walk in the park. A full tank refurbishment for a power station just west of Brisbane. Day one, half the day gone before we could even touch the tank. Panels off, knuckle booms landed, suctions out, and 17 stubborn fittings that gave us a fair fight. Most of the bolt heads were munted, manholes had to come out, and every gasket had to be cut to size. Tight nozzles against the panels, that's all right. Our crew found a way. Old base out, geo in, liner fully hung, vertical weld done to perfection. The EWP didn't play nice, so we brought in chain blocks and franners. Nothing slows us down. With Walter-base welds finished, fittings back in, and everything sealed up tight, we filled her up and brought this tank back to life, ready to keep critical water infrastructure running strong. If you need a tank built, repaired, or refurbished, anywhere in Australia or the Pacific, we'll deliver it on time, in full, and within budget. Quality that meets strict Australian standards every single time. ATM Tanks, Australia's #1 industrial and commercial tank specialists. Let's build something that lasts. Visit atmtanks.com.au and request your free site assessment today.